Hello everyone and welcome to the demo video of the ClickBooks where I'm going to show you how to set up the API key of the ChatGPT. So we will begin with login into your account. So you have the username, that's your email ID and the password. So you just need to give your credentials and then you have to click on login and you will log into your account. So first thing I'm going to show you is wait just a minute. First thing I'm going to show is where exactly the API key is supposed to go. Okay. So once you log into your account, what you have to do is you have the settings option out here. Okay. Simply click on settings and you have your name, your email, and this is the most important thing, that is your API key. Now this is where you are going to feed your API key. Okay, so this is the place. Now what we are going to do is we are going to understand how to generate the API key, how to have that API key. As I said, this is a ChatGPT API service that this software basically use, and it's very cheap to use the ChatGPT API service, because if you go for the normal subscription that we have of ChatGPT, it is around $20 per month. So it is around 1600 or 1700 rupees that it comes down to be. But if you go with the API service, it is very reasonable, and that is where you are at an advantage. I can say that, okay, because this particular software is going to make use of the API services. So how to generate the API key? So basically what you are going to do is you're going to go to the Google browser, that is the Chrome browser, and you need to simply type, that is platform, okay, platform dot open AI. As you might be aware of that the ChatGPT website is openai.com. So this is platform dot openai.com. Okay, and you need to just simply press enter. Okay, just a minute, let me try to do it again. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what happens is the moment you, okay, I'll just try to go back. um, okay, actually I just wanted to show you how to, you know the first screen that comes down, I'm looking for that actually. Okay, anyway, what happens is the moment you will be entering this particular URL, that is platform.openai.com. Okay, I will check with another browser, just a minute. Okay, okay, not an issue. So what happens is it is going to ask you to create an account. If you haven't created any chat GPT account, you have never used the chat GPT, even the free service. So even for the free service you need to create an account, and if you have created the account, you know the process. It will simply ask you to create an account. You have a Google option, okay, log in through or sign up with Google, right? Simply click on that Google, and it will automatically it will take the credentials of your Google account, and immediately your account gets created. And then yeah, the one more step that is there, that you have to it will ask you for your mobile number. So you have to feed in your mobile number, and there is a button that is send code. You have to click onto that, and you will receive a code, a verification code onto your mobile. You have to feed that code, and then your account gets created, and then maybe you will be coming across to this particular screen where you have to just give your first name, last name, any organization name that you have. It's optional. You can give your birthday and simply just go through the instructions and you will create an account. Okay, so in case if you're not created account, a free, even the free account, you please create an account with openai.com. And since we are going to use the API services, so that's the reason we are going for platform.openai.com. Please understand that. Okay, so this is where, okay, after creating an account, you will be directly taken to the API services where we can set up the key. Okay, so that's the reason you have to type in this particular URL. And then once that happens, what is going to happen is you will come across um, okay, I will just go over here where I have created an account, that is platform Okay, platform dot open, and it will go to this particular screen. So you will receive a screen something like this. um, okay, so you have to, if you come across this particular screen, then there is a API option that you can see over here. Okay, chat gpt, that's the normal chat gpt that you might be using it, but we have to go for the API. So once you click onto the API, then okay, and this is the screen. Okay, this is the screen that I wanted to show you. Okay, sign up. Okay, it's asking me to sign up. I mean, I have signed up, but I'm just showing you how does the screen looks like. So this is how the screen will look like. Simply you can click on continue with Google, and then it will you can easily create an account. It will ask for a mobile number, and then you can go and give the verification code, and your account will be created. Right now I do have an account, but this is not the paid account that I have. So if I continue with Google, so I will continue with Google, and I will show you the screen that comes down. So it's very simple, nothing much complicated. So see, once you come to this particular screen, okay, always you can go to personal and manage accounts. I will just show you, or you can simply click on upgrade. Since this is a free account that I'm using, and to use a OpenAI, I have to, so we have to simply click on upgrade, and this is where it is going to take to this particular screen. And see, this is a free trial. Okay, this is a free version that I'm using with this particular account. I also have a paid account. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to simply click on setup paid account, and there are also so many other options that we have out here. Every time, how much usage you have done, you can see out here. Okay, everything will be there for you. Okay, so you can set up a paid account, right, clicking out here, and then it will ask you whether you are an individual or behalf of a company. You can simply click on I'm an individual, and then this is where you need to feed in your card details. Make sure you have a Visa card to so that the payment goes through. Okay, so these are the options. You can feed in your card details, and simply click on setup the payment method. Now this is where the important factor that I want to tell you comes is, initially what is going to happen, it is going to take $5. It is going to ask for $5 from you. Okay, $5, it is around 430 rupees around. Okay, into rupees, that is 430 rupees around. Okay, once that happens, okay, so you have to pay $5 initially, but um, within 7 days this $5 comes back to your account. Okay, so you paid $5, and within 7 days the money will again reflect into your account. I will show you, it happened with me, and I will show you the details. Okay, so this $5 within 7 days it will come back to your account. And see what is written out here. What is a temporary authorization hold? And it says an authorization hold puts a temporary lock on a certain amount of your available bank or credit balance. This appears as a pending charge on your account and will reverse within 7 days. And it did reverse within 7 days. So within 7 days, this money again comes back to you. So don't have to worry. Okay. So you have to simply pay the $5. After you pay the $5, now I'm not going to pay the $5 for this account as well, because already I have a paid account, which is this one. Okay, now this is, as you can say, cancel the paid account in future if you want to cancel, which I do not recommend doing it, because now we are living in an AI era, and you need to have the AI tools with you. As a as an educator, you need to have the AI tools with you. So this is the paid account that I have. Okay, so if I go over here, like usage, so just on 11th I had this particular usage. I generated an ebook of around maybe 20 or 20,000, 25,000 words, and it charged me 0.11. So it is around 9 rupees. So every the PDF or ebook that you are going to generate, it will cost you around 8 to 10 rupees. If it's really huge, it might go to 12 rupees. But yes, this is what the average figure is. Okay, so so it's very, very reasonable. This is the point that I want to tell you. Okay, And you can see the API keys out here. This is very, very important, and you can simply click on generate a new API key. Okay, generate a new API key. So once you click onto that, okay, it will ask you to give a name, some kind of name, any name you can give, just like I have given a name out here, that is my key. Okay, so I can give a name, maybe my name, that is Ajay, that's okay, and I can generate a key. So once that happens, so I generated one more key. Now this key is a secret key. Okay, I want to um, I want to emphasize on this particular thing, that this is a secret key. Do not share this key with anybody. Once you come to this particular pop-up, simply you have to click over here. Okay, you can see, click over here and the API key gets copied. Simple as that. Okay, then you have to click on done, and now I have one more API key with me. Okay, you would really won't require more than one key, you just require one key, that's it. So just click on create and just generate the key, copy as the process that I told you. Okay, and in case you mess something, you can again create, click on create a new key, because it is not going to give you the access for the key again and again. This is the only one time that you can copy the key. Okay, this is only the one time that you can copy the key. After that you cannot copy that. So make sure that you copy that, the process that I showed, and then you can do it. Okay, so make sure that you copy the key. After that, once you have copied that, okay, what you have to do is you have to go to the clickbooks, which is out here, and already I have shown you the API key, right? So simply you have to click over here. I already have an API key that I have fed into my software, that is my personal account. So you simply click over here, paste that, give a right click and paste. Okay, so this is how you can paste, and then it's very important that you click on save settings. Okay, do not just skip this, you have to click on the save button. Click onto the save button so that key will get saved. After that, I do recommend that you click onto the login, just log out of your account. Okay, log out, and then again you can log into your account. Okay, and that's it. And now you are ready to generate your ebooks. I guess the video I've already shown how to generate the ebooks. Okay, now I will just show you what happens is, now since that $5 comes back to your account, as I said. So how do you pay money to the OpenAI, right? So I will just show you my uh, cancel this, go out here, and you can see this is an email that I received from OpenAI. That's the invoice that got generated. Okay, and it is saying me that, okay, I have a pending amount of $1, $1.03. So it is around 83, 84 rupees. I generated around 10 to 15 ebooks last month, which most of them I did not save for the testing purpose. I was using it for my software. So I generated a lot of ebooks, around 15 ebooks, and it has charged me 1.03, which is around 82, 83 or 84 rupees. So that's incredible. Okay, so you can generate so much of contents by paying just nothing, right? For 1 month, okay, you generated around 15 ebooks, and you have 82 rupees for that. But then you have so much of value with you, you have so much of contents with you, which you can use it for yourself, for your students, or you're doing some kind of research work and you want some contents from the AI. I do recommend that when you generate as an educator, when you do generate the ebooks, I do recommend that you always go through the contents properly, and also add your own contents into the ebook. Okay, that's very important as an educator. So it's not like you generated the ebook and straight away have the pictures onto it, saved it, downloaded it, and you're ready to go. This is my recommendation. As for this is completely up to you what you exactly want to do, but as an educator I do recommend to just make certain changes into the contents, have your own contents into it, and then you're good to go. You can do your research work, you can do so much of generate so much of contents with this, which you, as an educator, I guess this is the one tool that you must have. Also, I would like to tell to all those who have purchased ClickBooks, okay, especially for you, these you guys are the initial birds who have purchased the ClickBooks. And what I'm going to do is, uh, this ClickBooks is a platform which will not only generate ebooks, it is going to go beyond that, and it is going to generate a lot of things for you. Okay, so this is just an initial phase of the software where it generates the ebook, but in future you will have a lot of contents, a lot of modules into it, and since you are the early birds, so you are going to get all the updates, all the modules absolutely free of cost. You do not have to pay anything to anybody other than to the open AI. That's it. Otherwise, to the software, as far as ClickBooks is concerned, you don't have to pay anything. Once you buy the lifetime access, you are going to get all the modules with ClickBooks. So it is a very optimistic project that I have come up with, and I'm going to have many more modules where you can generate images, you can generate videos. There's so much to come up with. Okay, so all the best. I hope this video was useful to you. So generate the API key, feed in the API key, and you can start generating the ebook. Thank you so much.